Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video like this one. We do daily content on this channel where we talk about different homebrew, how to install different plugins, different emulators and things like that. So I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching, and today I wanted to share with you a cool tip on how to get your PSP back up and running from crashes and certain things that are happening to your console, like not booting up properly or just crashing the games and things like that. I recently tried to install a certain app and it wasn't installing correctly, so I abandoned it. I turned off my PSP, I turned it back on, and then I noticed that it wasn't loading, and then I had a solid orange light here and it wasn't like booting up or anything. It just kept crashing and crashing and crashing, and so I removed my memory card, and that's when it booted up on its own finally. And something is corrupt on my memory card, so I'm gonna have to try to track it down and see what's going on. And I wanted to share with you this real cool tip on how to disable your plugins and things like that if you want to access your memory card via USB through your PSP console if you don't have a memory card reader. So I know some people have some issues like this, so I wanted to share with you this cool tip. And the issues that I'm having right now is anytime I'm trying to load a custom theme, that's when it crashes on me. So let me load up one here for you real quick. I believe that these are not going to work because these are like your normal standard themes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset the VSH, and hopefully the crash happens so we can do the demo here real quick. And yeah, it's not going to do it because I don't have a custom theme enabled right now. So actually what I'm going to have to do is go into my recovery mode, or I'm sorry, recovery menu, and enable that plugin. So let me go into my plugin. Yeah, okay, so I do have these disabled. Let's go back. Let's reset the VSH, and hopefully the crash happens. Okay, so I do have a custom theme enabled, and there it is. There's the crash. You can see that solid orange light, and the little dial froze. Little loading icon. Sorry, the little loading icon. I'm sorry guys if I sound a little funny. I have a runny nose and I develop a nasty cold throughout the week here, so I apologize for that. So now you can see that it shut down on its own. Something is wrong with it. If I remove the memory card and I turn it on, it should go back to normal. Let's see here. There it is. And I've noticed some people have been having a few issues, and I wanted to share with you this. I think it will be a lot of help for most of you. So yeah, there we go. Let's load our memory card. When I load my memory card, I'm able to see nothing because the VSH has to be reset. The music should be there, but since I have categories plugin installed, I'm not going to be able to see anything there, nor my movies. So what you're going to have to do is just power this guy all the way down. Wait for that light to turn off. There we go. And you want to hold the R button down, or the R trigger down, and power it up. And this will access the back end of your custom firmware, which is the recovery menu. There we go. and you can access all sorts of different things, but I wouldn't, mess with too much. I would go into your plugins and start disabling one by one and see what the problem is. And for me, I already figured it out. It was the custom themes that was not working for me. So if I disable these two and reset the VSH, it'll go back to its normal state, but I won't have that custom theme enabled, which is unfortunate. I'm gonna have to go back into my memory card and try to figure out what's going on with the files there, if they're corrupt. And I deleted a bunch of stuff on the memory card just to see what was going on and things like that. So let's go back. This should reset it. Hopefully I get a lot better, guys. That way I'm not mumbling through my commentary here. I'm sorry if I sound a little funny. It's just been an annoying few days and it's been hard to record stuff. And here we go. We're back on the main screen here, and now you can access your memory card through your USB connection and take a look and delete files if need be, and just reinstall them and see if it works again, and just work your way through it, and hopefully you find that solution. So I just wanted to share with you this nice little tip, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Helps me out a lot. Any questions, as always, comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe, guys, to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. I do have a link to the wallpaper here if you're interested, and also a link to this beautiful stand if you're interested in buying one. I do have a code. Make sure to use that discount code to save 15% off your purchase. And that is it for this one, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.